Hello and welcome. Now we'll show you how to work on the digital elevation model to produce some derived data. So first of all, I've loaded my digital elevation model, and as you see, it's not clear at all. So as for other raster, right-click, raster properties, then I go in Enhance, I remove edges. You see here now it's visible. Accept. Now I want to create, as I told you, some derived information such as contour lines, slope, aspect. All of them are here in the toolbox that is available also in Tools Geoprocessing Toolbox. Let's click. Okay, if I don't know where is my tool, let's say I want to derive the contour lines, just type contour lines. Here it is. I double click, and here it tells me, okay, which is the raster? Here it is, which is the equidistance. Let's remember that if you have a 30 meters pixel digital elevation model, you cannot exaggerate with the equidistance. So let's say it's okay, 50 meters. Then I want only the lines of the elevation between 200 meters and 500 meters of elevation. So let's leave as it is. Go for OK. And see, it takes time, but not so much. And then it will create a vector layer with the contour lines of my area. So let's finish. Okay, here it is. You see, this is the contour lines of my area. If I make a zoom and I go on the information of the layer, you see that this layer is the elevation 200 meters. I go on this, it's 250, and until here that is 350. Let's say that if I had selected all the interval, it has created the contour lines from 0 meters until 1000, or no, the maximum available in the digital elevation model. Let's look for other tools like the slope. Here it is, slope. I can create the raster is the same. Here I can choose the method, if degrees or radians or percentage. Let's say degrees. Let's save in temporary. Go for OK. And see that it's not so slow. You see, it's a quite fast procedure. Okay, then I close it, and then I zoom to full extent. Okay, you see that now this is the slope, and it means that the lighter part will be the steepest part. Then let's go for other parameters, after products, such as the aspect. You see, I just type and automatically it subset what I want, aspect. Here you see now I have two rasters, because also the slope is a raster. I start from them, then I save. Okay, it's not so quite fast, as you see. And then the product will be the aspect of the area. I remove the other for make it faster. You see, the aspect is gives you the aspect of the digital elevation model. So you see which slope is facing north, south, east, or west. If I close of the information, you see it's 90 degrees, 45, and 80. So you see if it's facing north, south, east, or west. Just go for other application, such as the elevation relief ratio. So just click elevation. Here it is. I've shown this product in the previous slide. No parameters to be insert. Just go. And it gives you an idea of the asperity of the steepness of the area. You see, also in this case it's not so clear. So also for this raster properties, I remove edges, and now it's much easier. I can also clip some tail to make even more evident. Okay, you see now it's better. And you know that the most steep part is here. Then, as I showed before, you can see the shaded relief. Go on this, shaded, here it is. Just define the sun elevation as sun azimuthal. Let's say I can say 40, just make according to where you are. I'll leave it 90. I can exaggerate a bit and then go. And you see that this will be how the digital vision model will look like with the sun located in the position you have set in the parameters. Here it is. You see that the sun is like coming from here, and so now in this case you see which part is in shadow at a given part. Then you have also other possibility of derive some information. For example, you can derive the protection index. As before, just type on protection. Here define how big is the radius influencing the areas. So let's say the biggest is the radius, the more time it take to elaborate the information. Let's say 500 meters and go for it. And the protection index will be a DEM, let's say a product showing you how protected is a part according to other part. Then later on we can show the selection of a given elevation that we can use also to mask. Let's say that later on, as soon as it finishes, I will show you, let's say, how I can watch my digital elevation model considering only the area that are above 500 meters. So you see now it's finished, and you see that the more protected area are highlighted in white, while in greenish usually are the top of the mountains. It means that they are less protected than the others. Last, as I told you, we can sort of masking the digital elevation model according to the elevation. Just use the calculator. Here's the raster calculator. I just say, okay, show me the area. Double click on the digital elevation model higher than, see operator, higher than 500 meters. Okay, and you see that the result will be a digital elevation model with only, you see this part is white, so this is the area of digital elevation model where pixels are higher than 500 meters. If I go on click, here you see it is 0. Sorry, here it's 0. You see in the black part, if I click inside, it's 1. So if I want to mask and watch only the digital elevation model for the area higher than 500 meters, I do again in calculus, and I just say, okay, click, multiply my digital elevation model, multiply by my result. Let's say the filter over 500 meters. You see the result. It will be a digital elevation model masked having only the pixel more than 500 meters. You see the result will be this one. You see, this is a digital elevation model clipped according to the elevation of their pixel. I hope you've liked it, and thanks so much.